Good morning, all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss about reactions of chlorine with alkali. Alkali, a soluble base, is called alkali. Sodium hydroxide is an example of alkali. A soluble base is called alkali. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, is an example of alkali. How chlorine undergo reaction with alkali? Chlorine react with cold dilute alkali to give chloride, sodium chloride, and hypochlorite, NaOCl. While with a hot concentrated alkali, chlorides and chlorates are formed. Chlorides, NaCl, and chlorates, NaClO3, are formed. Now, chlorine undergo hydrolysis gives two types of acid. One is hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. Hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. Both the acid HCl and HOCl undergo reaction with alkali. First, HCl react with sodium hydroxide alkali, gives NaCl and water molecule, and hypochlorous acid HOCl also undergo reaction with NaOH, gives NaOCl plus H2O. Overall reaction, when we add all these reactions, we will get a final reaction. Chlorine react to the dilute sodium hydroxide, gives sodium hypochlorite NaOCl, NaCl, and H2O. Now, the first reaction we have discussed is multiplied by 3, and second reaction is multiplied by 3, and third reaction is multiplied by 3. From the third reaction, final reaction is formation of chlorate. We will separately discuss how this reaction takes place. So, simply watch the video. After half of the video, I will explain how these reactions takes place by writing the chemical equations. Overall reaction is Cl2 plus concentrated NaOH gives sodium chlorate, sodium chloride, and water molecule. Now we are going to discuss actually how these reactions takes place. Reactions of chlorine with alkali. In the first step, chlorine Cl2, when undergo hydrolysis with H2O, water molecule, H plus OH minus, water undergo ionization gives H plus OH minus. The H plus from water molecule remove one chlorine from Cl2 as hydrochloric acid, H plus Cl minus is removed as HCl, hydrochloric acid, Cl minus, and this OH minus now combine with the H plus, form one more acid, gives H plus Cl minus, gives HCl, and also HOCl is also formed. So, what are the names of this compound? One is hydrochloric acid and another one is hypochlorous acid. One is hydrochloric acid, Another one is hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. Also called chlorohydrin. Also called chlorohydrin. Then continue the reaction. These two acids are formed. These two acids undergo reaction with the alkali, a soluble base. Neutralization reaction. HCl undergo reaction with sodium hydroxide NaOH. This is neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid undergo ionization gives H plus ion and Cl minus ion. NaOH undergo ionization gives Na plus ion and OH minus ion. Now we know this Na plus combined with the Cl minus form NaCl, sodium chloride. NaCl, a knowable common salt, table salt. H plus combined with the OH minus form H2O, water molecule. Sodium chloride. We know this name, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, also called common salt or table salt. HOCl, hypochlorous acid. HOCl, hypochlorous acid. When treated with alkali, a soluble base, sodium hydroxide gives NaOCl, hypochlorous acid. NaOCl. This is your H plus, Na plus, OH minus. This is your negatively charged ion. So, Na plus and OCl minus form NaOCl plus. As usual, H plus combined with the OH minus form H2O, water molecule. What is the name of that salt? Sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. Chloride. Sodium hypochlorite. Not this the sodium hypochlorite. So generally, the final conclusion point is chlorine when treated with dilute alkali. Both these are dilute alkali. Dilute alkali form sodium chloride and sodium hypochlorite. Now we are going to see how chlorine undergo reaction with concentrated alkali. Concentrated alkali. Reactions of chlorine with the concentrated alkali. From the previous three reactions, now we are going to write the reactions with the concentrated alkali. Put it equation number 1 and equation number 2 and equation number 3. To write reactions with the concentrated alkali, multiple equation 1 and 3. You will get the final reaction when the first reaction is completely multiplied by 3. So 3Cl2 plus 3H2O gives 3 molecules of hydrochloric acid plus 3 molecules of HOCl, hypochlorous acid. Multiple equation 2 into 3. This is equation number 2. Into 3. You will get the reactions. 3 molecules of HCl undergo reaction with 3 molecules of NaOH gives 3 molecules of NaCl plus 3H2O. Second equation is over. Come to third equation. Third equation, when multiplied by 3. Third equation is also multiplied by 3. 3 into HOCl plus 3 into NaOH gives 3 molecules of NaOCl plus 3 molecules of H2O. Now come to the new reaction. The sodium hypochlorite formed in the third reaction undergo decomposition gives NaClO3 plus NaCl. This is our final reaction. 3 sodium, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 1 plus 2 equal to, this is 2 not 3. 1 chlorine, 3 chlorine, 3 chlorine, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. So name of this compound is sodium chlorate. Sodium chlorate. Sodium chlorate. Remember, with the concentrated alkali, chlorine gives sodium chlorate, and as usual our compound sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. When we add all these 3 reactions, we will get the final reaction. Add all these 3 reactions, you will get the final reaction. Which molecules get cancelled? We know 3 water molecule on the left hand side is cancelled by 3 water molecule on the right hand side. 3 HCl get cancelled. 3 HOCl get cancelled. Any other cancellation? 3 NaOCl get cancelled. Now we are going to write the final reaction. A very easy reactions. 3 molecules of Cl2 plus 6 molecules of sodium hydroxide NaOH gives 3 molecules of NaCl. Here 2 molecules of NaCl. Before that write NaClO3 sodium chlorate plus 5 molecules of NaCl. And how many water molecules we have? 3 H2O water molecule. So when chlorine is treated with concentrated sodium hydroxide, I will write here the final conclusion. So before that, like these reactions, we can also add these 3 reactions also. So what are these 3 reactions? That is the reactions of chlorine with alkali. Carefully add all these 3 reactions. Neatly watch it. When you add these 3 reactions, you will get the final reaction. What are the molecules get cancelled? 1 HCl, 1 molecule of HCl. HOCl get cancelled. 1 H2O, water molecule, 1 H2O get cancelled. Now add all these three reactions, you will get the final reaction. Chlorine, only one Cl2 we have. Therefore, Cl2 on the left hand side, when undergo reaction with how many molecules of sodium hydroxide? 1 plus 1 equal to 2 molecules of NaOH gives. What are our product? 1 NaCl, sodium chloride plus 1 NaOCl plus loss of H2O. So our final conclusion of the reactions of alkali with chlorine is chlorine when treated with dilute sodium hydroxide NaOH gives. Dilute NaOH gives. The product are sodium chloride NaCl and another one is NaOCl along with the H2O. I will write the name of this compound. What is NaCl? Sodium chloride. What is NaOCl? Sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. Note the spelling. And when chlorine is treated with a concentrated NaOH, Cl2, when treated with concentrated NaOH and the product are, see the above product, NaCl, sodium chloride plus NaClO3 along with H2O. With the concentrated alkali, chlorine gives sodium chloride and sodium chlorate. Sodium chlorate. So this is the reactions of chlorine with the dilute NaOH, our first reaction. This is our first reaction. And also with the concentrated alkali, second reactions. Thank you for watching this video. Still, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. And thank you.